20 seconds.
Come on, big cheer, big cheer.
Let's celebrate the lights going on. The market house has gone off. Ready?
Let's all count down from 10, 9,
9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas, Taunton. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Look at that, all the way down the street.
What amazing lights. Don't go anywhere. We've got loads more coming up on the stage. The food vendors are still open and the rides are still going. So don't go anywhere. There's still loads to see and do at Taunton Winterfest.
And thank you so much for our guests to come up here. And Mr. Mayor, thank you for switching on our lights.
Love Taunton, love